Afternoon. You stop. Keep quiet. Keep quiet. I'm on live now. Few minutes, guys. This video should stop playing now. Can you guys hear me? Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Has been trading. Has been trading. So I think the data has been released. Okay, let's check. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Here's the consumer confidence positive. 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 Positive for dollar. You can see positive for the dollar. Can you guys hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? The data came out positive for the dollar. It's positive for the dollar, so we should expect bullish dollar, bullish dollar, bullish dollar. Like I told you guys, Australian dollar USD should be bearish, GBP USD should be bearish, Euro USD should be bearish right now. New Zealand USD should be bearish. Let's go to the charts. Okay, the data came out positive for the dollar. Okay, you can see the previous, the forecast was 100.9 and the actual came out as 103.3. The difference is huge. The difference is much. And technically, USD, like I told you guys in the morning during the morning session, that USD, I expect USD to be bullish. Now the fundamental came out positive for the dollar, so we should expect more bullish move. Dollar should be bullish. Okay, can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? Dollar should be bullish right now. Dollar should be bullish right now. Okay. Can you guys hear me? If you can hear me, I want to see your comments. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you guys hear me? Yeah, Odogu. Yeah, okay, thanks. You guys can hear me. So let's go back to, here's my MT4 platform. Okay, let's go to the chart. So let's see. You can see my trades are in profit right now. Gold should be bearish right now. I told you guys my expectation on gold today. So gold should be bearish. Look for sell on gold. Okay, look for sell on gold. Let's see what's happening on USD, Australian dollar, USD, GBP, USD. Let's see GBP, USD. Okay, GBP USD liquidity has been cleared at this previous high. I told you guys liquidity has been cleared at this previous high. And after liquidity got cleared, what happened? We had a pattern that looks like an engulfing pattern at this point. Okay, this looks like an engulfing pattern, right? Now, after the engulfing pattern, I'm sure a fair value gap was created. Okay, let's go to 15 minutes, 5 minutes to identify the fair value gap that was created after this pattern formed. Okay, after this pattern formed, let's go down to 15 minutes or 5 minutes to identify the fair value gap that was created. So you can see at this point, a fair value gap was created, and that is the reason for this pullback. You can see that is the reason for the pullback, and this gap has been filled. You can see this gap has been filled. You can see the gap has been filled. It has been filled. It has been filled. So if this current 15 minutes candle closes bearish, if the current 15 minutes candle closes bearish, you can go bearish on GBP USD. You can go bearish on GBP USD, and your stop loss, please, your stop loss should be 20 pips above this level. If you are selling GU, your stop loss should be 20 pips above this level. Okay, then after this low gets cleared, if this low gets cleared, you can bring your stop loss down to this high. Are you getting me? Are you getting me? If price breaks this low, if price breaks this low, you can now adjust your stop loss to this high. But if you are taking the trade, if the current 15 minutes, wait for the 15 minutes candle to close bearish, your stop loss should be 20 pips above this high. Then after price breaks this low, you can now bring your stop loss to this level. I hope that is clear. That is it on GBP or USD. Okay. They might still want to push price up to clear liquidity. Okay, they might still want to push price up to clear liquidity before going bearish, because they know a lot of traders would want to sell GU right now. So they are most likely going to go for stop loss. If you go, like, let's see 5 minutes. Okay, see, so after the formation of this angry man here, after the formation of this angry man, they know a lot of retail traders would have jumped into sell, and their stop losses would be this high or a few pips above this high. So they just want to clear. You can see they've already cleared the stop losses that were residing at this high. So just patiently wait. Wait for a bearish reversal pattern to form on 15 minutes before you go bearish. Okay, so that is it for GBP USD. You can see at this point, you can see after this high was broken, yeah, I think they want to clear liquidity, because a lot of people would have entered sell after this engulfing pattern formed here. A lot of people would have entered sell. So right now they've cleared liquidity, and you can see the gap I identified just got filled. You can see it just got filled. So they've cleared liquidity. So, or you could just patiently wait for 15 minutes candle or 1 minute or 5 minutes to close below the support that was created. This support that was used to clear liquidity, wait for it to be broken before you go bearish. I hope that is clear. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? So that's it for GBP USD. Same will apply for Australian dollar USD. Let's say Australian dollar USD. I took a trade on Australian dollar USD. How is it going? Okay. In little profit right now. Australian dollar USD is in little profit. Okay. Now on Australian dollar USD, prices might pull back. Okay. You can see we have fair value gaps here. Okay. They might want to push price up to this level before going bearish. It means that if you are selling from the current market price, your stop loss should be few pips above this high, at least 15 pips. Set your stop loss 15 pips above this high. So if you are setting your stop loss 15 pips above this high, it means your stop loss will be at 0.6805, 6805, and the market is currently at 6773. So you'll be taking, like, that will be 31 pip risk, yeah, which is still okay. 31 pip risk. Okay, 31 pip risk. Your stop loss should be 15 pips above this level. I hope that is clear. I hope that is clear. So they might want to push price up. If fair value gap was created here, you can see this gap here. There's a little gap that was created here. That gap has been filled. So there's a high probability they might not want to come and test this level again. Okay, they might not want to come back here. Okay, so set your stop loss above this level if you are selling Australian dollar USD. Okay, 35 pip risk. You should be aiming for 70 to 80 pip risk. Okay, 70 to 80 pip TP. Your TP should be 70 to 80 pips from your entry level. That is my take on Australian dollar USD. I hope that is clear. So someone said we should look at gold. Gold. Okay, let's look at gold. Gold. I just shared with you my take on gold. Gold is bearish. Look for sell on gold. Okay, look for sell on gold. I've shared my buyers on gold. Look for sell on gold. That's my take on gold. Look for sell. Okay, look for sell on gold. I shared this with you guys in the morning. Look for sell on gold. And if you are selling gold, this low, this low, this low, those are the areas you should use as your take profits. This low, and this low. Your risk will determine which of this level you should use as your take profits. Okay, your risk will determine which of the level you should use as your take profit. For example, if you decide to sell from the current market price and your stop loss is at this level, you cannot set your TP here, because that risk reward will be like 1-to-1 risk reward or something less than 1-to-1, which doesn't make sense. But you can set it here. This will be like 1 to 1.5 risk reward. Here will be like 1-to-2. So your risk will determine the reward. Okay, but never go below 1:1.5. I hope that is clear. So that is it for consumer confidence. The data came out positive for the dollar, so we should expect bullish dollar between now and, I think the next major news for dollar will be on Thursday. No major news for the dollar tomorrow. The only major news we have tomorrow is from Australia. Okay, that's the only major news we have tomorrow. So that will be it for this session. Okay, so I wish you all the best. Please don't over leverage. Ensure you use stop loss. I told you where you are to set your stop loss. Ensure you use stop loss. Trading is a game of probability. Okay, it's a game of probability, so ensure you always use stop loss. Don't risk more than you're willing to risk on any trade. Okay, so any question? You have any question? Do you have any question before I sign out? Do you have any question before I sign out? Do you have any question? Any question? Please like the stream. If you got value from the stream, give it a thumbs up. No question. So I can sign out, right? Any question? USD should be bullish right now. Don't trade against the US dollar right now. You should be buying US dollar. Okay? I hope that is clear. I hope that is clear. Any question? Any question? No question. All right, guys. There are no questions. I would have to sign out.